Okay, this is Blake Terrence. This is an instructional video for Donna Yarborough on once she has deployed the VPN client to her personal PC, how she will access the data directories on National Auction Group's file server we've set it for. Okay, as you see here, we have, this is the log me in client. Okay, now we have the computers that are members of the client here. We have NAG data. Okay, that's where you will be accessing your normal mapped connections that you would have on FS01 /C/data. Okay, that NAG Kim, that is Kim's PC, and then we have NAG Tom. This one is NAG Project Management. But for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to go through the motions just like I would to set it up for you. I see that you did deploy the client, but you've chosen to either you're away, or you might want to disable hibernation, but I don't think it matters. It's showing you inactive because your PC is either the connection, you've disconnected the client, or your PC's off, or it's hibernating. Now if someone were trying to communicate with you through that, this is what they would see. But for the purpose of the tutorial, we will just ignore that. So you're going to right click on data and you want to hit submit browse. Left click browse. Okay. It's asking, you see here, it will say please, enter your credentials to connect to the specified IP address or computer in this case. So this is where you will put your username and password. Tell it to remember the credentials if you like, and click OK. Okay. As you see, now we have apps, pub, data, and users. You can right click here and go to Map Network Drive. I think you're familiar with this process. It doesn't matter to me what you decide, what letter, it's just a variable like algebra. Whatever you want to call it, you can call it that. So in this case, for apps, I'm going to call it, we'll call it V drive, or that's what I will, no, I'll call it a Z. Again, it does not matter. Select finish. Okay, then I will come over here to data, select map network drive, and we can call that S. Okay, click finish. I will come here to pub and select map network drive. Let's just call that one Y. Finish. And then you have the users directory path. We'll go here, select map network drive, and then let's just call it U for users. Very simple, and I'm sorry about not being able to use AnyDesk, but that is the remote port that the infection supposedly it like to propagate through. And that's the end of our tutorial on how to map your network connections. If you have any problems, give us a call.